Say hi. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel, The Noob Parents, and here we are again. My name is Marlu, and this is
Aiden is a soldier.
Aiden soldier. No, how can you be a soldier right now? You don't have your helmet. You are Aiden student. Police force?
Yeah.
Okay, whatever you say. Our episode for today
This is like a rubbish.
is we're gonna be painting some artworks again.
This is not a
By
rubbish.
this time we have some kind of I don't know, it could be a picture frame. We're gonna open this one. So this kit already included some paint. Also has some brushes already included, so that's nice. And we even have, I don't know what is this, piece of a stick. Maybe the purpose of this is you're gonna put this one into the hole later, and then you can like put it on a stand like this. Alright, so you can display it, and I think inside you can put some
Watercolors.
pictures. Stick some pictures inside. Choose one. So I'm gonna paint the other one.
I want the cow.
The cow?
Yeah.
Alright, you can have the cow and I will have the sheep. Okay, so I guess Aiden started to paint as usual without waiting for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and paint my sheep. What color is a sheep?
Blue.
Blue?
Yeah.
You want me to color the sheep with blue paint?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna do that as per his request. And we're gonna open up the blue paint. Careful, Aiden. We'll paint it blue. Put some paint on the tip of the brush a little bit, and then start applying the paint here. So you're just gonna have to go along the lines like that. Okay.
Can you show Mama what you're doing? Put as well some white on it.
Alright, so easy now. Just go along the line, try not to go over it. Okay. So look, Aiden, do what I'm doing.
Look, I'm mixing it.
Yeah, I think the paint is not I think it's not water based. Oh, it is. Okay, so just don't touch my blue. It's my blue. That's my blue. Oh my gosh. Oh, look what I'm doing, see? Oh, I'm following the line, the outlines. Oh. Look at this. You don't just go spread. Look at your cow. What happened? Huh? What is that? Huh? That's a dead cow.
Dead cow?
Okay. Mix a little bit of white.
Show Mama how you're painting Aiden ka. Show Mama.
They're just making paint.
Maybe we're gonna paint over it with white. Once it's dry.
Wow, Aiden, look at that, what you did. Wow. Very nice.
Look, Dad, look.
Wow! Wow! I like it. Just gonna paint all this one.
It's not done yet.
It's not done yet.
Yeah.
Wow, very nice, Aiden. Well done.
So I'm gonna do the heart, which is red. This one is a lost cause. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So this, I'll try to continue what is done here on the cow. The problem is he used black, which is the darkest color, and you cannot really paint over it. Because the paint is just not, the quality of the paint is not that good, but because it's quite cute, so I'm not really making any more use of it.
Scissors.
Yes. Right, so this is a cow ninja. So black.
It's a ninja.
Yes.
It's a black ninja.
Yes.
I like a ninja too.
This green one, Aiden. Green one.
This will make a ninja like black.
Oh, no, no, no. Green one.
No, black.
What did you do again? Be careful.
It's only black one.
What did you
Make a ninja.
Okay.
I'm making a ninja. Look, I'm making a ninja.
Yeah, again, you're gonna make it difficult for me to repair what you've done. Okay, so this is a black. I'm just gonna have to wait, I think. Let's see if you can finish that, bro. Okay, stop.
This one, what did you do?
I'm making a ninja.
What is it?
Be drawing. Be drawing.
Secret. Secret line is fine, is it? Okay, so this one is done. I'm just gonna have to line it. So what would be the color for the main? This one is brown. To make brown is what color we should
Where's brown?
mix. It should
Where's
be
Green now?
Okay.
black. Let's try black. And then
Where's brown?
a little more red. To make it a little lighter, a little white.
Just put it here and here.
A little yellow.
Okay, try to have Aiden. That's your ninja light.
Be drawing. They're two ninjas.
What's that?
They're two ninjas.
It's not lying here. What is that?
Look, this is a ninja.
Okay, looks more to me. So finally you can mix maybe, I don't know if that's the correct combination, but I used black and red to make yellow. Sorry, to make brown. And add a little bit of white and yellow to make it a little bit more interesting. But it's brown to me. Not so much, but that's the job, I guess.
Mixing it.
No, don't put any more. Why are you putting blue on the brown? Mix your own color.
It wasn't happy with the color red and yellow. You check it out, please. Let me see yellow and red. So this is the color. Let me see the color.
Black is not a primary color. And it's not a color, it's black.
I see. This one, the color.
Look, they're water.
Something like that color.
It's a bit brown, really nice. Combine black and red and a little bit of white because brown color.
Okay. So right here.
What are you thinking? Hi, what are you thinking?
You have mischief. Okay. Good. Okay. And then finish black. Got the tail. Tail. Brown.
Wow.
See?
What did you draw, Aiden? Oh, wow. Very nice. Oh,
Oh my god, my backpack.
what did you draw? What did you
Yeah,
do?
there,
Yellow
there.
light, yellow light.
Now we're gonna do the ninja still wet. Still wet. Look here. What to do?
What did you do? You do something.
What did you do there? What did you draw? What did you draw? What is that? What's that?
Face.
What kind of face?
Scary face.
Scary face.
I'm making,
Why don't you make a happy face?
make it red.
Yes, because it's hard now. Hard is red color.
You don't know it.
Still wet. Ayan. Oh, oh. Your ninja cow.
Wow.
Still wet.
It's still wet. Oh, grab it.
Look, this is my
with your picture frame.
So wait. Brush it.
What is that?
Brush. Use.
It's like the same. Little, red, and little.
What's it mean?
This is little.
What?
Little.
No, that's not yours. It's green. So the color is green. Let's color green. Let's go back. Show more.
For making ninja.
Open the door here.
So I'm making spots.
Aiden, can you show me your work? The lion? Where's the lion one? Aiden, show Mama the lion.
Make something up. Alright guys, we're done, and this is our finished arts. And what we have here is a ninja lion, which is all black.
It's not dry.
It's not dry yet. Actually, it's not dry yet, so we cannot paint over another color on it until it's dry. But I think this is
I'm making a cheese.
okay. So now we have the ninja cow, right? So it's all black, but I have managed to put some designs on it. We got these patches of white, and he got a red bandana and a yellow eyes. Of course, the heart, which is the frame, we painted it red. And here we have the sheep. It's what is this?
Sheep.
A blue sheep, right?
That's a blue sheep.
Yes, and this one is our best product, the lion, the yellow lion.
That's a black lion.
No, this is the black lion, and this is the yellow lion.
Both are done by Aiden.
Okay, those are done by Aiden, and maybe a little bit of help from me, just for details. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed our episode for today, and don't forget to
Subscribe.
and
Subscribe.
hit
Hit the like button.
yes and
Bye-bye.
bye. Okay guys, and if you like to join our membership, please do so, and I'll see you on our next episode, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.